Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can change the size of a SF symbol in SwiftUI. Here I added image and provided the system name and brought this name from this SF symbol. Okay, you can right click and get the name of it and paste that here for the system name. So in order to change the size of this symbol, we can use dot font modifier. Okay, now in the parentheses we can say system, and here for the system in the parentheses we are defining the size. So we can specify the size now. Here let's say 30. Now you can see it is increased the size of the SF symbol. So I'm going to change it to 50. Let's say 100. Okay, and 200. Okay, like that you can use this font modifier with system size in order to change the size of a SF symbol. Thank you.